Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Light channel. Today we'll talk about a VeChain that USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in, guys. Let's be real. Now it can be more than okay time accumulate VeChain for sure. So after this correction, we dump it and grab that liquidity. What we form in November 2024, we pump December 2024 and dump it and grab all of this liquidity pool. Small tip, when you see something like this one, usually it can be the actual lows, and especially if it's on a weekly or a monthly time frame, you can keep in mind, most likely we will come back and sweep it. Here, this was just a basic liquidity pool, grab liquidity, bounce, hold the line, going higher, right? Form the actual low, this low, not sweep this liquidity. So I highly recommend you go and check the video about liquidity pools and the structure especially. Now we grab all of this liquidity, and personally for me, it's no makes sense to drop it lower now. Why I talk about now? Because in the next bear market, we can drop lower, right? For sure. But we needed time. We need time to distribute the bags, all of these guys who accumulated here, all this same period. I remind you the global targets, guys. Global targets, I'm more than conservative. VeChain here, what I don't like, we didn't drop inside 27 block. So this is one of not so many tokens which not dump inside 27 block. That's why we can drop inside that block in the next bear market. So now I wish to see we're gonna hold the line here at monthly open, like you can see the retest. So previous week we hold the line monthly, and the reward can be open to the yearly open. If we hold the line here, the reward will be open to 4 cents. At the yearly test, it will be the crucial moment for all altcoins. Will it drop in the next 2-3 months down in crazy collapse? Because some people can draw the left shoulder, head, and yearly open, or even the test of zero level again can be the right shoulder, right? And in this case, yes, the size of this pattern can be collapsed even under 1 cent. So under the low of November 2020. Is it possible? Yes. Unfortunately, guys, everything possible. Do I believe in this case scenario? So the VeChain will drop under 1 cent now? Honestly not. Honestly not. Because now the sentiment in the market too bearish, and everybody waiting, once again. So the summer should be red, crazy red summer, right? But take a look how it played out previously. So here was a May, and we, since here, for example, May 25, we skyrocketed 378%. After that, in August, just 1 August. No, 1 August. And after that, till November, till beginning of November, basically 2-3 months, we crashed it down. But not all the time, guys. The summer is always red. So 300 is around like 380, something like this one. So at least 10 cents possible to see, because also this is weekly time frame here, this liquidity pool, and now it's like a magnet. I believe in VeChain, but I remind you, my conservative price targets, it's around 16 cents, and this one 19.30. If you believe in new all-time high, it can be 42 cents. I don't think so. The VeChain will hit the $1, $2, 50 cents, and all of this absolutely, for me personally, nonsense prices for this run. My more than conservative price targets, yes, it's not a big one. It's not some crazy targets, but it's around these blocks. So something like this. Yes, it's not a big one. It's only 1,300% gains. But guys, capitalization kind of huge, right? Market cap also, I don't see any adoption for VeChain. I don't see any real adoption which can affect the price. So let's be real. Of course, the technology of the VeChain is so great. Why? For the use case in real life, right? But nothing new with the marketing. So unfortunately, guys, yes, this cycle you can see only the marketing campaign drive the price of the tokens. So, or market makers. That's why, guys, if you want to accumulate now, you can buy now. I'm in VeChain. So you have to know I'm in VeChain and I'm in losses. Yes, I'm in losses on the spot. My entry around here, around 6 cents. Yes, because VeChain, I started accumulated around here. January somewhere 2. I waited the bounce, but it won't happen. So I bought it around 8. And after that, I bought some amount of VeChain around here. So my entry, but I bought it not equal. So I'm in losses now. So around 6. I don't have in mind like out of VeChain at 6 at a break even. No, most likely I will hold. At least, depends of timing, of course, at least to 16 cents. 16, maybe 20. We will see. But if we drop to 1 cent, I don't know. Will I add some position or not? Probably not. So now, guys, I'm waiting the test this week or the next one. 4 cents 32 test. And sweep this high, right? 8 cents to 10 cents 59. So this is my take of summer. If I'm wrong, of course, we're gonna crash it down to 18 level by FIB, guys. Now it's hard to predict the market because you saw today example. Everything looks okay, right? So BTC started correction, right? So everything going down, looks good. So healthy correction. After the fact, so the Trump just posted announcement. No, we postponed the tariffs for European. Who could predict it? Nobody. And the market bounce. So from 106K to almost new all-time high again. This market's so difficult. We hold the line here, the monthly open. This is a monthly open of May. So here, it was the beginning of May, monthly open, bounce, retest, hold the line. Now we open the weekly candle and we can go straight to the yearly open. Yearly open is 410.31. Next step is 0 level and the new high, not a new all-time high, guys, for sure. Take a look, guys, with my customer cursor. What's going on now here? Daily distribution, this kind of accumulation zone. Good one. Here's a capitulation. This is a like optimistic positive on the market. Direction, nothing with accumulation on the week, on the daily, but not a distribution. Weekly, what is good? Here, we form an accumulation and accumulation. So the road can be open way higher. Accumulation from direction indicator, this is disbelief. So definitely this is not a like time to sell like it was here in May 2021. So just wait something like this one. That's why I'm more bullish than bearish for a VeChain. And locally, I showed you the targets. Trade on, guys. Sell, buyback. Buyback we saw at the beginning of May. Daily. Sell at the top. Recommendation to buy back. Last one was here April 7 when we sweep liquidity. Bounce, sell. No mains. Signal to buy back. After that, signal to sell. Guys, we dump it like 22%. We will see what will happen next with the VeChain. But globally, I showed you the targets and I weighed the targets. Guys, money power indicator. Money power on the daily here. Money inflow, money outflow. Drop, hold the line at the monthly open. Need to see some money inflow. Not yet. Weekly, here, money inflow, pump, money outflow, drop. It's kind of bad because we don't see any money inflow here. All right. We can track it and check what will happen next this summer. So on the weekly, guys, I repeat again, if we'll form something like this one till beginning of June with all of these tariffs, if they not solve the problem between the European and the United States with the tariffs, yes, we can drop it pretty hard. So I hope it will not happen. And I hope we will move like this one and go higher. Because also, what the biggest trap with all of these classic patterns? Everybody see this pattern. Everybody trade a classic TA. And that's a problem. So the guys who open it short here can be just easily liquidated when we go higher. So that's it. Last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Here we tested on a weekly time frame. Buy line again. A buy line now 2 cents 0.84. Fundamental value it's 1 cent 54. I don't think so. We'll drop that low. The road can be open to the take profit 4 cents 13. Yearly open, exit line, weekly time frame. Daily buy line it's 1 cent 72. Fundamental value it's 1 cent 29. But the road can be open to take profit 3 cents 42. Exit line, yearly open. I'm more bullish now for VeChain. To buy now or not, it's only up to you. If you want to trade with I don't know, with the futures, of course, guys, you have to just open position, for example, here and add stop loss under the monthly open. But it's 6%. 6% stop loss, so it's with the second leverage, it's 12. With the target 55, so it's around 100% profit with the futures. I'm not open position for VeChain perps. I'm just wait my entry, around 6 cents to take a look at what will happen next with the VeChain. Maybe at 12, I will out with initial deposit. Who knows? So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about VeChain. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.